This next type of friction that we are studying, known as limiting friction, has a value somewhere between static friction and sliding friction. See the definition. Maximum value of the force of friction between two surfaces in contact that just starts acting before the onset of a relative motion between them. That means it is that force of friction which starts acting between the object and the surface when the object just starts moving. See, this boy is pushing the table. Till the time the table is not moving, the friction that is acting here on the surface, that is static friction. The boy puts some more force to move it and it just starts moving. जैसे ही ये मूव करना शुरू करता है, उस समय जो फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन लग रहा है टेबल और इस सरफेस के बीच में, वो लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन कहलाता है. और जब ये मूव करना शुरू कर देता है तो फिर जो फ्रिक्शन एक्ट करता है वो स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन होता है. दिस नेक्स्ट type of friction is the rolling friction. Rolling friction word ही हमें समझा रहा है कि something is rolling on the ground, and we can understand the term rolling. Rolling means like the ball rolls on the ground. The force of friction that resists the rolling motion of a body on a surface. वो force of friction जो किसी बॉडी की रोलिंग को रेजिस्ट करता है, वो फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन रोलिंग फ्रिक्शन कहलाता है. This ball is rolling, the force is applied on the ball in this direction. The friction acts here in between these two surfaces. This friction is the rolling friction in this direction. See the example here, the car. The wheels of the car, when they move on the ground, they move in the forward direction, and the rolling friction comes into play in between the tire and the ground in the opposite direction. Similarly, you can see this figure. The ball is rolling in this direction. This is the motion of the ball, and the friction comes into play in the opposite direction. So this is rolling friction, a friction that comes into play when the object starts rolling on a surface. Now, we perform a simple activity. In this activity, we are trying to analyze that static friction is little more than limiting friction, is more than sliding friction. Means limiting friction is between static friction and sliding friction. ये एक simple सी activity है. इसमें हमने एक टेबल पर we have taken a box, tied a thread to the box, and here with the help of this pulley हमने एक यहाँ पर weight hang करा है. We put some weight here, and till the time we see that the object is not moving, that means it is static friction. We increase a little bit of more weight, still the object is not moving, that means the static friction is more. Put some more weight, and when little more weight is added, the object just starts moving. उतने वेट पर जब ये ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करना शुरू कर देता है, वो हमारे पास जो फ्रिक्शन का वैल्यू आएगी, दैट इज द लिमिटिंग फ्रिक्शन. एंड व्हेन द लिटिल मोर वेट इज एडेड, तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट मूव करना शुरू करेगा इस टेबल पर, और वो उस टाइम कौन सा फ्रिक्शन एक्ट करेगा? स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन एक्ट करेगा. देयरफॉर फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी we can analyze that limiting friction has got a value between static friction and sliding friction.